Tanginan nyo, bilisan nyo pare, uulan na.
Di gagi, ambon lang yun.
Tanginan ambon lang yung bayan eh, basa na brief ko.
Tara na pare, uulan na.
Oo nga, tanginan mo, ikaw kaya inaantay namin eh. Subukan ko nga mag-beautifulize, lagi na lang yung mga naka-ios yan tinitignan eh. Tao rin naman kami.
Tangin na pare, basa yung daan.
Magulat ka kung tuyo yung daan, daw sumulan.
Be careful guys, the road is wet and twisties.
Tangin na Aaron, nakarma yata tayo dahil sa mga biruan natin sumasayaw na Santo Niño.
Oo nga pare, tapos si Jason ginugol pa.
Sabi sa inyo, huwag na tayo tamalay, di sana sa bahay na lang tayo, tas kanya-kanyang lolo.
Ayoko pare, kakalulo ka lang kagabi.
So sinaraw-araw mo naman.
Turrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr
Tangin na nyo, iwanan ko na kayo dyan.
Tangina mo yan, iniwanan mo naman kami para kapantid na Oscar talaga no. Sige, abulin kita dyan, tangina mo. Ayan ako. Ayan, guhitan natin si Jason. Oh, I'm coming, tangina mo. Yan, nasaan ka na? Bilis mo na naman.
Dito lang ako, tayin kita.
Tangina mo, parang tayo, hindi ka kita makita.
Dito lang ako.
Tangina mo, susumbong kita sa nanay mo. Pagalitan ka na naman ng nanay mo, karera ka naman.
Oo, ito na ako. Yan o, ito na ako. Bumagal na po ako, mami.
Eh,